Ako po si Janice Landite, operator ng Transfer Id Lucena. Ito po ay nagamit ng 6 na araw na may 120 total meters. Ito naman po ang printer head area. Ito po ay napalitan ng February 28, 2024. Ito naman po ang cupping na may 60% good condition pa po. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Ito naman po yung aming nozzle check. Ang ink system naman ay tama lang. Ito naman po yung aming waste tank na nalinis kanina. Ito naman po yung aming DTF stocks. Ito naman po yung used ink at film. Ito naman po yung nabawas naming ink. 2 white, 1 black, 1 yellow, 1 cyan, 1 magenta, 1 green solution, 2 powder, at 2 film. Yung aming daily output. Ito naman po yung aming maintenance checklist. Thank you po.